Hey, Matt from Racks Galore, and today we're looking at the Rhino-Rack Pioneer thru-axle bike carrier. So this is a fantastic option if you are looking to mount your thru-axle bike directly onto your platform. It will work with most brand platforms as well, as long as you've got that open channel to allow the bracket. The bike attaches via the front axle, and then the rear wheel is supported in this cradle with this ratcheting strap, making it perfectly suitable for modern mountain bikes and road bikes alike. It does accept most wheelbase sizes as well, depending on the size of your platform. It does come with a 9x100 and 15x110 multi-axle adapter, making it suitable for most bikes with a quick release front wheel. It does come with all the hardware to mount the carrier to your platform. Another great feature is you can mount the front axle parallel, allowing you to prevent any handlebar clashing. The rear wheel cradle and strap will allow up to a 3-inch tyre as well. It does have a 17 kilo load rating, so it's not suitable for e-bikes. And so that is the Rhino-Rack Pioneer thru-axle bike carrier.